Hi, meet our new LightDimensions Oxycur Platin multi-purpose lightening powder. What's new? Now you can lift hair for up to 9+ levels of lifting. Yes, 9+ levels of lifting with amazing state-of-the-art lightening results. Oxycur Platin has the strongest lightening performance at full speed in our LightDimensions range. Anti-yellow system and BondPro Plus are now integrated and part of the upgrade to respect the structure of the hair. Oxycur Platin is our strongest lightener in our Goldwell LightDimensions portfolio whenever you want the lightest results for any technique or services. I love using Oxycur Platin whenever my clients ask for a balayage or full head application. With Oxycur Platin, I can do any lightening service with maximum lift. For extra protection, you can enter service with BondPro Step 2. See you soon with the next LightDimensions video.